Hey guys, today I'll be showing you how to make some delicious homemade tortillas. This recipe is actually my grandma's recipe. You guys will love it. Let's get to it. First, we're going to need 3 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder. After we add all those ingredients together, we're going to go ahead and stir it up. After that, we're going to go ahead and add 3 tablespoons of lard or manteca. After we add the lard, we're going to go ahead and mix it all up together until it looks like sand. Once our flour looks like this, we're going to go ahead and start adding our warm water. I would add 1/4 cup of water at a time, because if we add too much water all at the same time, our dough might be too sticky. So just do a little at a time, and then if it's still too dry, go ahead and add more water. But if it's just perfect, just continue to knead it like this. It could also go for if it's too sticky, just go ahead and add a little bit of flour. Once your dough is all combined a little bit like this, go ahead and take it out of your bowl and put it on the counter, and you're going to knead it. We're going to go ahead and knead it for 5 to 10 minutes. We just want to knead it and get it all incorporated. Once your dough looks like this, you're going to go ahead and put it in some plastic wrap and set it aside to rest for 15-20 minutes. Once the dough is done resting for 15-20 minutes, we're going to go ahead and take it out of the plastic wrap and start dividing into balls. One batch usually makes 10 to 12 tortillas. Once you separate all your dough into little dough balls, we're going to go ahead and start rolling them out. You can use a rolling pin or a wooden stick like this. Just an FYI, I am not perfect at making circles. I did try my best for this video. Once you're done rolling your tortilla, we're going to go ahead and throw it on our skillet, pan, or comal on high-medium heat for 30 seconds on each side. Continue to check your tortillas throughout the 30 seconds because they could burn depending on what type of pan you have. A couple tips I could give you guys is to keep your tortillas warm, you could keep them in a towel or some foil. Keeping your tortillas in a towel or some foil does keep your tortillas fresh. And here's your finished product, your delicious warm tortillas. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and follow. And you guys have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.